'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the firm the attorneys were working out of grave concern. There was a trial this eve for a client in need, and he knew where to turn to feel unafraid. He knew that hiring a lawyer was an important decision that should not be made solely on advertisements or face recognition. So he skipped the yellow pages, the TV billboards and ads, and turned to the web with a pencil and pad. He made his list, and he checked it twice. He wanted a firm to save his home and to treat him nice. He saw the firm's mission and read it to be true, to protect individual rights and save his home too. An appointment was made, after which he arrived, to the surprise of the staff, who couldn't believe their eyes. I was responding to emails. As I heard the office chatter, I sprang from my chair to see what was the matter. To the appointment I ran a mad dash, flung open the door, quick as a flash, when what to my wondering eye did appear but a not-so-jolly man with a red suit and beard. He said the elves back home were worried so sick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. It seemed he was served in the midst of the night with a foreclosure from Big Bank that chilled him with fright. Without time to waste, I took to the case, for I knew the foreclosure must be misplaced. More rapid than eagles the attorney they came, as I whistled, shouted, and called them by name. Now Barbara, now Amanda, David 1, David 2, Aunt Joseph, Aunt Erica, and all of my crew. See, we fight foreclosures, to be quite frank, and we're for the homeowners, not for the bank. Moving pro hoc vice, we entered with great haste, and Senior Judge Frost was assigned to the case. Trial began. Big Bank presented its case. We don't like to name names, but Big Bank was Chase. During the trial, we objected galore.
I object!
And the objection to hearsay the judge could not ignore. We moved for dismissal of Big Bank's case, for the property described was not Santa's place.
Case dismissed.
The judge agreed there was a mistake, for in Santa's property, Big Bank had no stake. He dismissed the case quickly, so the toys could be made. At the stroke of midnight, Christmas was saved! After the judge made his ruling, Santa's eyes twinkled. His smile grew wider, and his forehead crinkled. Exiting the courtroom, and full of ambition, heading to the North Pole, like a man on a mission. Shouting so jolly from the courthouse that night, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Merry Christmas!
Back at the office, we celebrated the win. Then a new client appeared with injuries to her shin. It seems Big Bank had a party where precautions weren't taken. This caused her to fall. Now she's injured and shaken. Big Bank and all others, you should be forewarned. Dellutri Law Group is here to fight for those who were wronged. Happy holidays from the Dellutri Law Group.